Today on City Foodie Farm, I've got a delicious recipe to share, a Strawberry Nutella Galette that will be perfect for Valentine's Day. This Strawberry Nutella Galette is for all you chocolate-dipped strawberry fans. With each bite, you will experience an intense burst of fresh strawberries, some chocolate, and a sweet, buttery crust. It's an easy dessert that you can throw together for someone you love. Now let's take a look at the ingredients we'll be using. You will need 1 package of strawberries, Nutella, 1 pre-made pie crust, some butter, and granulated sugar. And I will leave a link to the recipe in the description box. You will want to wash your strawberries. And the first thing that we're going to be doing is slicing those strawberries. We will need 2 cups of these sliced strawberries. These strawberries are going to be extra special because we are going to allow the time for them to macerate. Basically, we are sprinkling sugar over the top and allowing their juices to come out. We don't want their juices to come out in the oven. We want them to come out in the bowl because we are going to be using those juices to reduce down to make a delicious strawberry sauce for the top. And now grab a sheet pan, and you can line it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. You'll want to unroll your pre-made pie crust, and I kind of stretch out the sides a little bit, but be careful so it doesn't rip. Now we are going to be adding that Nutella on top, and just make sure you leave about 1 inch on the sides. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's check out this sauce. You see how these strawberries, see how much liquid came out of them. If you were cooking these, you would have a mess. I know some people might add like cornstarch or something to thicken it. But just like my apple galette, I like to use the sauce and reduce it down. So just put the strawberries on top. Make sure none of that juice comes with it. And we're going to be folding the sides. Just folding it over the other one. And that's it. This is so simple. I have made these a couple times now, but they've came out just wonderful. You'll want to melt that butter before adding it. Just baste it on the top. And I love this brush, by the way. It's like a silicone brush, basting brush. Now you want to sprinkle some sugar on the edges of the crust. And if you end up spilling some, don't worry, we're going to be wiping that off just so it doesn't burn. It's not a huge deal, but just get it off of there if you can. And that's it. You'll be baking this at 425 degrees for 25 minutes. Isn't this beautiful? Just wait until it's cooked. So we're going to be getting this sauce ready. You'll want to cook it on medium heat and just watch it. I kind of turn the heat up and down. When you notice it's starting to bubble, you know that the sauce is starting to change. And soon it will thicken, and it thickens very fast. So make sure you watch it. And then it will be ready. And you can let your galette cool for a little bit. And then you'll be adding that drizzle on top. Now, I noticed a little bit of chocolate sauce did ooze out. I think it ended up bubbling over. It got maybe too hot or something, but that's okay. It still tastes good. So you want to take that sauce and just start by drizzling it over the edges. And then if you have enough, you can drizzle it over the top as well. You know, Valentine's Day is very special to me because it's the day my first child was born. It's also the day of love. So I think making desserts is perfect. I know I will be eating some kind of dessert. I really hope you guys can try making this. I want to say apple galette. I'm sorry. The Strawberry Nutella Galette. I love making galettes. They're easy. So I hope you guys can give this a try. And you can also check out cityfoodiefarm.com for more recipes. And subscribe. I've got some more recipes coming soon. And until next time, happy cooking.